I'm gonna show you how to create an account in Builderall. So to get started, all you have to do is just go to builderall.com and then click on Get Started Today. And then from there, you will be redirected to their plans, which is going to create and pay. So from here, you will just need to select a plan or your subscription to their site. So once you go to scroll down and see, there's this core. They have core essentials. They have other adding premium, and also you can click on free right here, but you need a Visa card or a credit card to purchase one or to have the free account. So from there, just select core or the basic account, and then from there you will be redirected to the next page. In this page, you will be inputting or upping the necessary details, which is your name, your email, and you have to confirm your email also, and then also you have to click create a password. And then once you're done with that, all you have to do is just click on create a new account, and then you will be redirected to the page where you just input your credit card details or your PayPal. So from here, all you have to do is just wait first, then click continue on your created account, which is this one. So I'm gonna click on continue, and then you will be now redirected to the payment method. So you have to click on add payment method via credit card or debit, or you can also have PayPal. And once you're done with that, you will be now done with your account, and then this will be the home page of your account. So that's it. So that's how to create a new Builderall account.